All right, so go through the paces, make sure it's in neutral.
There we go.
Okay. Start the bike. Ease out with the clutch, you go.
Wait, I gotta put it in first.
Yeah, that's it.
Woo! I'm a rebel! I'm in first gear!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of Shifting State. Today, we got Mrs. Shifting State in the garage and a new addition to the garage. We got a 2019 Honda Rebel in the garage. I'm a Harley guy, but the wife wanted to start riding and she found the perfect starter bike for her. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with some questions with her and why you want to start riding in the first place.
So every time that we were out riding together, I would say, I can't see anything. So I'm like, woo, 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 peeking over, like trying to look across the room, trying to look around. And it was just, I just wanted that freedom that you feel. You know, he'll sometimes lay down on the bike so I can kind of feel the wind blowing on me. And I'll be like, oh my God, that feels amazing. You can put your arms out. And I just wanted that freedom. That's what I want. I wanted to feel the June bugs hit my chest.
And the wind right
Yes,
on you.
right on me.
You get all that up front.
I'm excited.
Okay. What makes you nervous about wanting to learn how to ride?
Everything. Everybody out there on the road, myself, I'm really nervous just because, like, if I see a little rock in the road, am I going to react a certain way? Or if there's a puddle of water, or if I see rain starting to fall, like, how am I going to react to that? And I just have to remember to stay focused. A lot of people are giving me advice to make sure that wherever my eyes look is exactly where the bike is going to go. So I just want to keep trying to remember that and staying focused on where I'm going and where my eyes are.
Good. So, first time riding.
Yes.
This will be the first bike ever.
I know.
Right? Except for mine you dropped when I first got
Yes.
it. But what did you like about this bike that made it a good starter bike for you?
So we sat on a Triumph and I was like, oh, this is really light. I like this bike and I wanted something that was lightweight. And so when I sat on that, I felt pretty confident, but it was sat up a little too high, I feel like. So then we tried the Honda Rebel and I was like, oh my gosh, I love this one. It was kind of like your Roadster.
Roadster.
It was kind of like your Roadster, like low to the ground. I was able to put my feet flat, which I really liked that. And then I also liked the fact that I just felt like super confident as soon as I pulled up the bike and put it in place. Then I sat on a Sportster and that confidence went out the window. I was like, this thing is too heavy. I don't really care for it too much. So that's why I picked this one, because it was lightweight. I felt confident right away. And I highly recommend, if you're a girl just starting out, get something that you feel confident on, because I did try to sit on the Roadster and I did not like it at all. It was not comfortable for me.
Okay. So we started to look for this bike and we ended up going to a local dealership.
Mm-hmm.
A little pricey. First bike, you don't want to pay too much because you're probably going to drop it.
Don't say that.
Hopefully not drop it. So we ended up going on like Facebook Marketplace and everything. We found this out at Virginia Beach.
Yep.
A girl had it for just a little bit. It's a 2019. She didn't even drive. I think it has 2,000 miles on it, 2,300 miles.
Yes.
And it was her first bike, so it was great for her. And she was telling my wife how great it was for her, and it should be good for her too. But yeah, so we drove all the way out to Virginia Beach and ended up picking this thing up. And 2.5 hour drive, made a day of it. Had some fun.
That's
came
fun.
on back. As soon as we got it back here in the cul-de-sac, she was already on it.
Hold on 1 second. You have to tell them how long it took you to strap the bike. That was fun.
5 minutes.
No, definitely not 5
And
minutes.
then to stop afterwards.
Oh yeah,
Restrap
I think it was about 3 times.
Twice.
It was 3.
Twice. The bike made it back though. 2 hour drive, safely back. I did a good job. Anyway.
He did. The first time, not so much.
Anyways, so we're gonna wrap it up here in the garage. We're gonna go take it to the parking lot, and y'all should see some fun video of her practicing a little bit on this bike. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, so we're over here at the parking lot now. The wife's about to fire it up. She had a little bit of practice the other day, but now she's got more room out here to play with, so she's gonna feel a little bit more confident. So you know how to start it?
Yes, I already turned the key, and now the kill switch, turn that on, and make sure it is in neutral first. So I'm going to
find neutral, pull the clutch in.
Oh, pull the clutch in.
Yep. Push, go all the way down to first.
Oh, all the way down to first.
Okay, now just pop it up one. It's easy, and it should put you in neutral.
No.
Here, roll it forward. There we go. Sometimes you gotta do that. Okay, so now neutral.
There we go. Okay.
Okay, so bike's in neutral.
I'm gonna hit the start switch.
Yep. All right. So what I taught you yesterday is just, you're practicing right now. All you're doing is just easing off that clutch, finding a little friction zone,
right,
and get the bike moving, and just get comfortable with like maneuvering the bike. So go ahead and show everybody what you got.
So I'm gonna put it in first.
Yep.
Down.
So yep, pop it down in the first with the clutch pulled in, and now you got it in gear. Just ease off that clutch. So you get the bike moving. Yep. Yeah, make sure you keep that head up, looking where you want to go. That's good. All right, do you want to do like we did the other day? You practice doing a lap, coming back to this point. So you'll do a circle around me, and then when you come back to this point, you'll come to a stop, put your feet down. All right? So all she's doing right now is we're just making sure she's getting comfortable controlling the bike, handling it and all that stuff. And then once we, I guess, get a little bit more comfortable with it, we'll start practicing with the throttle. If you put your feet down, make sure to pull that clutch in. All right, good, good, good. All right, now go ahead and cut the bike off. Okay. You know how to do that? Kill switch. Yeah. Up, bow, there you go. All right, so we're going to continue practicing, but what we're going to do is we're probably going to go ahead and stop the video right here. You know, because we don't want the camera all on you while you're trying to concentrate. Yes. So, but we just want to show everybody, hey, this is your first time you're learning, female or not.
That's true.
You know, don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. If it's something you really want to do, go out and do it.
Yes.
And, you know, just show everybody your first bike. And more so, this channel, we're going to start being a little bit more personal anyways, and showing more of my face, my wife's pretty face, which y'all probably want to see more of anyways. So with that said, guys, I think we'll wrap it up right here, let her get some more practice in, and we'll come back with more video of her learning to ride. She is signed up in the riding academy class over at Colonial Harley-Davidson,
and I'll be better next time.
Oh yeah, so she yeah, oh definitely, yeah, so she's gonna keep practicing. You guys make sure y'all keep watching, and in the comments below, tell us, what was your first bike? What did you learn to ride on? With that said, hit the subscribe button. Hit like if you like this video.
Towards you. Why is it on
nope.
me?
Because
because
nobody wants to see me.
No, turn
okay.
it towards you.
So hit the subscribe button. Hit that like button. And we'll catch you next time. You turned it off. This thing is so slow. I'm the dummy without a helmet on.